Good morning, dear students. How are you? Okay, it's me, Iqbal, your math teacher. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter. That's our second. In this chapter, we have to study three things, which are that first one, measurement of length. How can measure the length of an object, and measurement of weight. Third, measurement of capacity. Okay, let's start. At first, let's discuss about measurement of length. Measurement of length. How can measure the length of an object? Let's discuss. Okay, how can measure the length of an object? At first, I'm showing some figures. This is from your textbook. Identify the non-standard units. Here, first one. Then which unit is this? That you studied from your first standard. That is handspan. Study the name of that handspan. Once again, what? Handspan. You can measure the length of your dining table by this handspan. Students, measure the length of your dining table by handspan and take a video and send to me. Okay, students, please measure the length of your dining table using handspan and send to me. Take a video and send to me. The next one, this. What is the name of that? That is foot. What is the name? Foot. Can you measure by foot? Then which? Then okay, I am giving a work to you. That is measure the length of your sit out by foot. Measure the length of your sit out by foot and send to me. Take a video and send to me. Measure the length of your sit out by foot. Okay, third one, that is finger. Finger. You can measure using fingers. You can measure small objects using fingers. And the fourth one, what is the name of this? This you already studied from first standard. That is pace. Pace. You can measure by using this also. Pace. And the fifth one, cubit. Cubit. Okay. One more question to you. This one. Measure. Okay. You can measure the dining table by cubit also and take a video and send to me. Okay, once again I am saying, first one, this is handspan, this is foot, this is finger, this is pace, and fifth one is cubit. Okay, these all are non-standard units. Non-standard units. Okay, now let's go to standard unit, that is centimeters, meters, and kilometers. What is centimeters, meters, and kilometers? Did you hear this word? Centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Which is the smallest? That is centimeters. Okay, I am showing some figures to you. First, smaller lengths are measured in centimeters. Once again, smaller lengths are measured in centimeters. I'm showing. Okay, centimeters you can write in short form as cm. 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 Centimeters. First, what is this? A gift box. The length of a gift box is about 30 centimeter. The length of this gift box is about 30 centimeter. Okay, then I'm showing one more. This one. What is this? Pencil. The length of the pencil is about 12 centimeter. How can you read this? 12 centimeter. cm mean centimeter. Third one, this one. The length of your textbook is about 20 centimeter. Read this, 20 centimeter. cm mean centimeter. Okay, next, smaller lengths are measured in centimeter. Now this one, longer lengths are measured in meters. Longer lengths are measured in meters. Then which are that? I'm showing a figure to you. Okay, meter you can write in short form, that is m. M mean meter. Here this one, the height of your height is measured by about 1 meter. Your height is about 1 meter. Okay, measure your height. Second, the length of your dining table is about 2 meter. The length of this dining table is about 2 meter. M in meter, 2 meter. And one more, this one. What is this? Okay, cricket bat. The length from here to here, the length of the cricket bat is about 1 meter. The length of the cricket bat is about 1 meter. Okay, now measurement. Okay, measure the length in centimeter. I'm giving some figures to you. Measure the length of that figures in centimeter. First one. Okay, a pencil is there. Then I placed a ruler there. What is this? Ruler. You are calling this as scale. It is ruler. Okay. Then the first end, that is here. Okay. Then the second end, that is here. Okay. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The length of this pencil is 0 to 4. That is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Okay. One more. Okay. This one. Another pencil and ruler is. Then we want to place a ruler near that pencil. Then 0 in one end. Here 0 in one end. Then this is the second end. Where is that point? That is in 7. 0 to 7. So the length of this pencil is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Ready? Okay, measure such pencils using your ruler. Third one, this is. Can you find the length of this pencil? Some questions are there in your textbook. Can you find the length of this pencil? Here the first end in 0. Then where is the second end in 12? Okay, then you can say it is 12 centimeter length. 12 centimeter. Okay, let's wind up now. Have a nice day. Thank you.